So what we have today, I seen, anyway, John with 80, John, salt, pepper, and fire. Look, if you're not already following this competition, we'll just have to see. But, all right, man. We'll just have to, this could be a total disaster. This could be the best thing since sliced bread. Make sure, know that I love, so if you know anything about me, you know that I love cooking. I think this competition has brought out the best, a lot more of a cook out of, I think this competition has brought out a lot and a lot of people that are in this competition. Why am I talking about all this bullshit? Look, I'm going to be running at 2. I don't know how I'm still here, but anyways, I suck. Man, it's COVID. Well, y'all heard it here first, y'all.
Shut up.
And with that being said, ain't nothing left to do, y'all. Get outside and cook. Hand me that towel, baby. Sweat, y'all.
It really does taste good.
Y'all heard it here first, folks. Look. I already said all that bullshit. I done lost where I was. Look, y'all don't forget, get outside and cook something. Is that what I even say? I'm trying to psych myself up, man. I'm trying to bake my head up because I feel like shit.